RNDR token is right now at this very interesting area, but will we finally see the bullish breakout or do we fall to even lower levels? In this video I will talk about RNDR token and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Bitcoin, RNDR and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So after the last all-time high, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels. From the top to the down, we saw a move about 74%. And now we came into this very interesting demand area because from this demand zone, we saw this bullish push to the upside. And often this is a really good sign because from this consolidation and this point right here, we saw this bullish push and the chances then very high that big players came here into the market, pushed the market to the upside. And when the coin comes back into this area, then the chances high that big players will defend their positions and that we then see the bullish continuation from the zone. And in the past, we saw this last all-time high. We broke it right here in 2024 to the upside. Then we saw this bullish support and then we broke through this last all-time high. And RNDR token is one of the biggest AI coins in the crypto space and I see a very high potential for the AI coins in this bull run. But at the moment they are not hyped. We don't see crazy profits and this is the best time to buy these coins because I think that we can see even higher prices than the last all-time high when the bull run is beginning. And right now we are at very cheap prices and we saw this very nice price action because we saw this last week right here. We took this liquidity which was resting here and then we consolidated in this area. And as long as we are not breaking this one to the downside and find bearish acceptance, then I think the chances high that we'll see even higher prices, especially if we now break with momentum over this last all-time high, then the chances high that we can see even higher prices. And then it really depends if we are also breaking this last high because from this high we saw this move to the downside. We broke the structure and if we now can break the structure to the upside, then the chances high that we can have a bullish structure on the daily time frame, and then the chances also high that we can see even higher prices. And on the way to the top, the next interesting zone is of course this last all-time high right here at nearly $8. If we can break this one, then I think this last high is very interesting. And if we're also breaking this one, then of course the last all-time high at $13.83 is very interesting. And to calculate the next potential price targets for the bull run, we are using the Fibonacci tool. And then we are getting this next potential price targets. And I think this price target of $41 is very realistic because if we have a look at the market cap of RNDR, we just have $1.8 billion. So we have a lot of potential to the upside. So if we would reach like $41, RNDR token would be at 18 billion to 20 billion market cap. And I think this is very realistic for the cycle because I think that the icons will outperform most of the other narratives in this bull run. And from the price right now to this potential, we would have potential over 800%. And I think this is really massive for a big coin like RNDR. Of course, this is just a price prediction from the prices right now, but I think this is quite realistic if we get into a big bull run. So now it's very important if we see the bullish breakout. If we are seeing it, I think these are great entry chances for this bull run. If the bull run is starting, these are the best prices in the future. I don't think that we will see even lower prices than this one for RNDR for the future. So I will definitely buy some spot positions right here. And if you're searching for exchange to trade or buy RNDR, I can recommend Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with the link in the description, you will also support this channel. So guys, as I said, I see a lot of potential in RNDR. I think that we'll see even higher prices, maybe around $40 for this bull run. And I think these prices right now are very interesting. As long as we're not breaking this lows to the downside and find bearish acceptance, I think the chances high that we'll see even higher prices in the near future. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.